Welcome to LalaJoy. Are you ready to play a super fun game? I'll show you a picture and give you 3 choices. You have 10 seconds to guess. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the fun. Let's go. What vegetable is orange and helps you see better? A. Pumpkin. B. Carrot. C. Bell pepper. The answer is B. Carrot. Awesome guess. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Super important for your eyesight. That's why people say, eat your carrots to see in the dark. That was a great start. You're a smart veggie detective. Now let's see if you can get the next one. Which fruit is yellow and monkeys love it? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Mango. You got it. B. Banana. Bananas are full of energy, easy to peel, and are one of the most popular fruits in the world. They also contain potassium, which helps your muscles stay strong and healthy. You're doing banana-tastic. Banana ready for another one? Let's go. Which vegetable looks like a tiny green tree? A. Cucumber. B. Spinach. C. Broccoli. C. Broccoli. Yay! Broccoli isn't just a veggie. It's part of the cabbage family, and it's full of vitamin C and fiber. It really looks like a little green forest on your plate. Broccoli brilliance! Let's see if you can crack the next fruity riddle. Which red fruit is used to make ketchup? A. Strawberry. B. Cherry. C. Tomato. The correct answer is C. Tomato. Surprise! Tomatoes are actually fruits, not vegetables. They're used in sauces, soups, and of course, ketchup. You did an amazing job. You guessed the fruits and veggies like a real pro. Don't forget to subscribe and join the fun at LalaJoy for more cool videos. See you next time, and keep eating your fruits and veggies. Bye-bye.